Hello guys, so you're welcome to this channel and thanks very much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'm going to reply within some few hours. Watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of it. Let's start. Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and today we're gonna learn how to fix this problem. So as you can see, when you go to your play tube, which is the YouTube alternative or YouTube Vanced app, when you tap on a video it doesn't work. As you can see, could not play. So it says video could not play. So as you can see over here, could not play this video. So when you try several times, this is what is going to appear. So this is how to fix this problem. What you have to do is to go to your phone menu. When you go to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for Play Store and tap on it. So when you search on Play Store and tap on it, wait for it to load. As you can see on my screen, it's loading. So wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's loading. So when you scroll down, you see that the apps are popping up. So as you can see, it's loading. So after it have been loaded, what you have to do is to tap on it and search for YouTube Vanced. So type in YouTube Vanced and search for it. So this is what you are going to see. So what you have to do is to click on this one, the play tube. So when you click on play tube, what you have to do is to update it. So when you see updates over here, just click on the update section for it to update. But when you see open, then just leave it like that and go back to your phone menu again. So go to your phone menu and search for your settings. So when you search for your settings, just scroll down to apps and management. Some other phones too, it's app and preference, and other phones is also apps and notification, and other phones is also apps. So just tap on your apps and management. After that, go to app settings. So wait for all the apps to load for you to see all the apps over here. So when it loads like this, what you have to do is to search for play tube. So as you can see over here, tap on the play tube. So when you tap on play tube, what you have to do is to go to storage and cache. So tap on it. When you tap on storage and cache, just tap on the clear cache over here. After that, go to the next section, which is clear storage. So clear the storage over here. So after doing this, just go back. So when you go back, what you have to do is to click on force stop. So click on force stop. So after doing this, what you have to do next is for you to restart your phone. Just restart your phone and start using the app. So the second step is, or the second trick that you can do is, when you find it misbehaving on your phone, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, try to uninstall it and install it again. Delete it and install it again. That's what I mean. So I hope this problem has been fixed, and I hope you've understand everything. Thanks very much for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms who are finding it difficult to fix this problem. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video to the end. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to reply within some few seconds. Thanks very much for clicking on this video once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And also don't forget to share this video. As I repeat, peace. Bye bye.